Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Part-Time IT Investor. Today is 10th of September. So guys, जैसे कि हमने कल के वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था, okay, we discussed that Nifty is having high possibility to reverse from 25k level, okay, and the same thing I have mentioned yesterday video, same thing was there into the thumbnail as well, okay, and exactly we saw that Nifty started taking reversal from around 25k, okay, and it went as low as 24,940, okay, and it closed below 25k, okay. So if you're not seeing that video, please go ahead and check that video. You can find the link into the description comment and video, okay. So now what? Okay, so how was today's market? Let's quickly check. Okay, आज का मार्केट कैसा था और कल का मार्केट कैसा रहेगा? Okay. ओके, सो हम लोग टॉप लूजर्स और टॉप गेनर में हैं. ओके, सो एज यू कैन सी गाइस, टुडे वाज अ प्रॉफिट बुकिंग डे, ओके, फॉर ऑल द ऑटोमोटिव स्टॉक्स. ताकि पास्ट कपल ऑफ वीक्स है ना, स्टॉक्स काफ़ी बढ़ गए थे, ऑटोमोटिव स्टॉक्स. ओके, so today I think we had a day where the profit booking was done in M&M, Maruti Suzuki. यार क्योंकि साथ साथ 14% अगर स्टॉक भागेगा तो प्रॉफिट बुकिंग तो आएंगी, राइट? If you are not going to book the profit, someone else will book the profit, and that's what we saw today in market. Okay, okay. Now let's check which were the top performer today. Okay, okay. As we can see in the top performing list, we have Bharat Electronics. Okay, then all the IT stocks except this HDFC and Bajaj Finance. Okay, so most of the stocks which were in the top gainer list were Wipro, HCL, TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra. Okay, so these IT stocks were bouncing. Okay, and one of the major contributing factor, जो major contributing factor है guys for IT stock to perform is USD INR. Okay, so our INR is still at around 88 rupees per dollar. So from the past couple of videos, okay, I have been highlighting that even though our rupee has fallen, I'm not seeing significant rise in IT stock. Okay, so I think that sectorial movement of fund has changed. Now we can see a great impact on IT due to the falling rupee. Okay, but the why it was not running up till today, because due to US Trump. Okay, so Trump was threatening India for tariff on IT services as well. Okay, so which got clarified. Okay, so it seems that US has changed its stance towards India. Okay, तो यूएस का जो दृष्टिकोण है इंडिया के बारे में, आई थिंक वो चेंज हो चुका है, एंड वी आर बैक ऑन ट्रैक फॉर द ट्रेड डील. ओके, सो ट्रेड डील हमारी अभी वापस से इनिशिएट हो गई है, ओके, यूएस के साथ. सो उसका ये पॉजिटिव मोमेंटम है गाइस. ओके, सो बेस्ड अपॉन दैट हम लोग देख सकते हैं मार्केट आज क्लोज हुआ है अराउंड 24,973. लेकिन क्या ये तेजी कंटिन्यू रहेंगी? ओके, हम लोग ये चार्ट पे चेक करेंगे. Personally thinking, okay, I think before we move about 25k, we should definitely see a lower level of 24,500. Okay, ताकि इकोनॉमी इतनी स्ट्रांग नहीं है, यूएसडी आईएनआर भी गिर रहा है. Okay, maybe on 17th of September, I think we will see that the market can break 25k. There are multiple reasons for that. If you don't know, please go ahead and check my video of monthly September analysis, where I have covered this point. Why I think after 17th September we can see market breaking down 25k level. Okay, decisively. Okay, now let's go ahead and quickly check on the chart how the market will be and what will be the level. Okay guys, so we are here in chart. Okay, सो आप लोग देख सकते हैं गाइस, ये जो हमारे लेवल्स है जो हमने मार्क करके थे, मार्केट ने बिल्कुल वहीं से रिवर्सल लिया है. सो एग्जैक्ट 100% प्रोडक्शन, ओके, ऑन द निफ्टी. कोई मुझे नहीं पता, आई थिंक मार्केट में लोग कैसे एनालिसिस करते हैं, लेकिन प्राइस एक्शन के हिसाब से बेस्ड अपॉन ओपन इंटरेस्ट डाटा, ओके, ये काफी इजीली पॉसिबल है. हम लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे बराबर यही लेवल से हमारा rejection आया है. Okay, so if you are not gone to that video, please check my yesterday video. I have mentioned this level and this level marking which we have done. This is there from past 1 week. Okay, this is not something which I am creating now. Okay, now what next? So I think we will continue, okay, we will continue to extend these levels, guys, okay, because market is stuck in this range now. Okay, so first support level, okay, which I am seeing over here is that it will again see around 24,850. Okay, so market need to touch this level. If it breaks 24,850 level, अगर 24,850 level decisive break होता है with red candle below this, then we can further see the downside of around 24,650. Okay, so these are the levels to watch out for, guys, on the downside. On the top side, like I mentioned, 25,050 will be the breakout level, and it can go as high as 25,200. Okay, but frankly speaking, मुझे तो नहीं लगता कि ये break होगा. I think at least till 17th of September. Okay, mostly I think for another week, market will try to remain range bound between this zone. Okay, this is a very wide zone between 25,000 to 25,650. ओके, और बेस्ड अपॉन दैट हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी आयरन कॉर्नर बनाया है ऑन मंथली बेसिस. ओके, and based upon the market, let's say I'm doing some short trading, okay, on intraday basis based upon the trigger order, which I will try to adjust the profit and gain on monthly basis. Okay, so this is the level. I think tomorrow market will remain range bound. That's my expectation. Okay, कल market range bound रहेगा. अगर मुझे आपको levels बताना है, let me again write it down for you. अगर जो levels जो मुझे लग रहा है यहाँ पे at the top side is 25,050 and then 25,200. Downside we are saying 24,850. Okay, and here 24,650. ओके, सो मार्केट ये लेवल में रहने के चांसेस ज़्यादा है कल. ओके, ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स गो अहेड एंड क्विकली चेक कि ओपन इंटरेस्ट डाटा क्या बोल रहा है हमारा. ओके, हम लोग यहाँ पे ओपन इंटरेस्ट डाटा पे आ गए गाइस. एज यू कैन सी हमारे पास काफ़ी टसल हो रहा है एट 25,000 लेवल. ओके, पीसीआर इज ऑल्सो शोइंग स्लाइटली बुलिश. ओके, बिकॉज 1 के ऊपर है पीसीआर. ओके, स्लाइटली बुलिश. ओके, और why I'm think that today 25k was a trap ताकि closing जो है guys, closing 25k के नीचे हुई है. Okay, so using this बहुत सारे लोगों ने BTST trade लिया होगा. Okay, people might have taken BTST trade. Okay, thinking that market will open gap up and these guys can get trapped. Okay, if tomorrow markets open gap down. Okay, because we have Trump, we have many factors, many issues which is there. Okay, but I think based upon the levels which you have seen, I think this chart is indecisive. Okay, so based upon price action only, we will keep it. But at the higher side, at least I can see 25,200 is good. Okay, for the higher side. Lower side, it is indecisive. You can see that 24,900 is also there. Then 24,800 is also there. Okay, and similar level we have around 24,500 is also there. So this put writing, okay, is at 3 level, which is showing as the indecisive. It can be also trap. That's why I'm thinking on this front, because you should be always having this kind of data. Okay, going downside, it is stable. So someone, if someone wanted to trap it, they will try to create this kind of data. Okay, at least that's my takeaway and learning based upon the past experiences. Okay, now let's go ahead and quickly check the FI data. Okay guys, so we are here in FI history, and today we can see, I think, market, I think foreign investor were again selling in short quantity. Okay, so today's major rally was due to the DIs guys. Okay, जब तक के हमारा यहाँ पे ओके FII इन्वेस्ट करना चालू नहीं करते. ओके, पार्ट में हिंदी गाइस. So till FIIs start investing, okay, in our market, I don't see a bullish sentiment in our market. Okay, that's why I'm saying, and they will try to start investing post Fed rate discussions. Okay, at least that's my takeaway. Let's go ahead and quickly check future options. Okay, so future में हम लोग देख सकते they are bullish. Okay, but not much of the quantity we can say. In options, okay, in options we can say they are neutral. Okay, so based upon this, I think tomorrow, like I mentioned, we can see a range bound market. Okay, so thumb rule for range bound market for me is to create a straddle. I will wait for the 15-minute candle. If the 15-minute candle is very wide, okay, then I will create a straddle for the same. Okay, now let's go ahead and quickly check how was my monthly iron condor doing. Okay, so my monthly iron condor. Okay, pardon me, guys. So monthly iron condor. Okay, if you see today when market rose, I booked this hedges. Okay, 25,800, and also shifted my PE position further upside. Okay, so I booked the profit somewhere around 6,600 by end of the day, and I entered into the new PE site of 24,500. Okay, but end to end, we can see end to end we are in loss of 14,308. Okay, with this, and I think we should be fine because we have a very wide range over here, and maybe in a week time frame we will turn into positive. Okay, at least that's my expectation over here. Okay, and if you see, okay, uh, based upon our analysis, okay, I am maintaining more bearish position. Okay, जो भी मेरी एनालिसिस है बेस्ड ऑन दैट मैंने ज़्यादा बेरिश पोजीशन बना के रखा है. So if market falls around 24,850, okay, tomorrow or day whenever, then I will partially book the profit in this position and I will make it a perfect iron condor. Okay, it's a little bit skewed now. Okay, so that is a strategy. All right. Okay. Now, what about the intraday trades? Okay, so let me take you over there as well. Okay, so we are here in another position. So I created a short straddle in Sensex guys today because tomorrow we have expiry, and once market hit 25K, जैसे ही मार्केट ने 25,000 के हिट किया, ओके, मैंने ये शॉर्ट स्ट्रैडल डिप्लॉय कर दिया सेंसेक्स में. ओके, सो इन विच आई थिंक वी हैव रफली मेड अराउंड 1,800 रुपीज प्रॉफिट. ओके, सो नथिंग फैंसी गाइस. कल हमने एनालिसिस किया 25,000 से मार्केट रिवर्स हो सकता है. 25,000 के ऊपर जैसे मार्केट आया, मेरा ट्रिगर ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूट हो गया सेंसेक्स का, or end of the day we entered into the short triangle K1, okay, and end of the day we ended up in profit of 1,850. And why I did that? Because tomorrow is expiry for Sensex, तो decay काफी ज्यादा मिला मुझे, and that's why I avoided doing it in Nifty, क्योंकि Nifty में spike ज्यादा होते थे आज. Okay, so that's why I created over here, and that's how I will try to compensate day by day for my monthly strategy. Okay, so that's the plan. All right. So I think that's it from my side, guys, for today. Okay. If you're new to my channel, okay, let me take you to the YouTube. Okay, we are here. So if you're new to my channel, guys, this is our YouTube channel. Okay, part-time IT investor. Okay, and please don't forget to check this video as well for September Nifty monthly analysis. Okay, and please do like, subscribe, and comment for the latest updates and market analysis video. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.